Hello, my name is Dzhansu and I am from the logistics department of SPINNER Bulgaria, and my role is to ensure delivery of the machine has its proper packaging, transportation, so that every client to receive their order in just perfect condition. As you know, recently we established a new warehouse which serves as central spare parts hub for all the Europe. Here, Spinner can deliver in just 24 hours spare parts to all of the customers in Europe. In addition to spare parts, we in logistics department also manage the machines deliveries to all our customers. All the machines here in SPINNER Bulgaria are built according to European standards for quality, safety and performance.